Yeah, I would say always explore and never be afraid. You must have courage when you do this, and you always have to believe in yourself. My name's Hill Phantom. I have a YouTube. I do a lot of different technology, very large umbrella, but I focus a lot on ESP32, Raspberry Pi, cameras, and networking.
Okay, welcome. Is this your first time to the Make Fair Shenzhen?
This is my first time to any Maker Faire, and my first time to China, and my first time to Shenzhen.
Okay, do you find something very interested you in the Make Fair Shenzhen?
So much, so many things. I'm very impressed with the robotics and how inexpensive they can be, and how quickly you guys can manufacture these things. So I'm really interested in exploring that here, because one of my passions is possibly using robots to help people that may have disabilities.
And do you find something that you want to buy for yourself?
Oh, too many things. Absolutely. I've seen many things here. Just a couple things to note. There's actually one company that has a display bar for the bottom of your monitor, and you can use this for editing. As I mentioned, I do YouTube, so it has a lot of wheels and stuff, but also you can use it for gaming. So if you are a gamer and you play something like World of Warcraft, you can have your toolbars down below physically and punch them. I thought this was a really great application.
Okay, as an influencer in the YouTube, do you want to introduce some things for your viewers?
Yes. I intend, especially today, to go around to a lot of the different booths just to show, especially my audience in the United States, the massive amount of innovation, as well as I'm very impressed with how many young Chinese people are involved in technology. We went to a talk yesterday where they spoke that they really support people that are under 30, and also you don't necessarily need a college degree, which is much different than America. In America, it's so driven by a college degree. I have one, but I don't use it. Everything that I've done in my life is self-taught, just like any maker. So I really appreciate that China isn't so hung up on the fact of education. They value experience and even value a creative mind.
Okay, there are too many children and students audience in this activity. Do you have some advice for them?
Yeah, I would say always explore and never be afraid. You must have courage when you do this, and you always have to believe in yourself. And sometimes that's hard, but I have found that if you practice these habits, they can develop into something very special, but you have to maintain that direction and stay focused. So yes, you must dream, but you also must stay dedicated to your craft.
Okay, could you give one word to describe this year's Make Fair?
Let's see. Special. My name is Hill Phantom. I'm from the United States, from Montana, and welcome to Shenzhen Maker Faire.